How to create a new Google account on your computer. So first you will need to open up the browser or your favorite browser, and then you will need to head to google.com, then click on your profile logo, and then click on show more accounts, and then click on add another account. Now in here you should find a create button next to this blue button right here. Click on create, and then you can choose whether it's personal or for your child or for business or work. In this case personal, and then it should ask you to fill out your first name and last name. Then click on next, and then select your birthday and select your gender as well. Then click on next, and then it should ask you to choose from these suggested email addresses or create your own. I'm going to select one and then press next, and then it should ask you to enter your password. So you can basically choose a password right here and then press next. And sometimes it might ask you to verify your phone number or scan this code to proceed. And once you finish that process, you should click on your profile logo again on the Google website. And from here, you should be able to switch to your newly created account by clicking on it. And it should switch it to your new Google account right here. And you can start using it to basically get access to all Google services. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.